So today I am going to do a really quick clean with me video while the baby takes a nap. So I hope this video gives you some cleaning inspiration. So we'll see what we can get done while the baby takes a nap. Okay.
Since today was Brandon's birthday, there's just a bunch of random things everywhere. I don't know why. When it comes to birthdays, Brandon always says I do too much, meaning I pay too much attention to the detail and I overwhelm myself because I want everything to be so perfect. Anyways, when that happens, the house ends up being such a mess, so I try to do as much as I can during nap and quiet time. Most days, I do little things here and there throughout the day so that I don't have too much to do at the end of the day. The kitchen is the most used room in the home, so it tends to never stay cleaned for too long. And something about a fresh and clean kitchen when it's time to prepare any meal makes me feel less stressed in my mind. I'm going to start by putting away any clean dishes, then finish loading the dishwasher, and then give it a quick run since it's full and wash whatever didn't fit. Favorite part of cleaning the kitchen is rinsing out the sink. I don't know why, but something about it, it's just so satisfying. Then after all the dishes are clean, I'm just so weird about things on the counter, so I always put everything in the sink to air dry since I'm limited on time. I love having this huge sink like that just because of this reason. And then after, I'm just gonna put all the little things around in the kitchen in its place. Ella is always in the room I'm in, so her toys are always around. I love it though, because it's not going to always be like that. So I just let that go and just kind of help her learn to put things away when she's done. And she actually really is at a fun age where she loves to help out. Sweeping the kitchen is my least favorite part of cleaning. I don't know why, but it's never enjoyable. Maybe I need to get a cordless vacuum or something to make it more enjoyable. What's one of your least favorite things to do in the kitchen? And here is that mini vacuum I told you I'm obsessed with. I use this instead of a dustpan, or I pick up crumbs on the table, the counters, or even the baby's high chair. Seriously, my favorite kitchen gadget. And then we're gonna head to the living room and tidy up the pillows and dust all the wood furniture. And then shortly after, the baby will be awake. Here she is. So I'll finish everything else when the girls go down to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in our next video. If you have any video suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.